Okay, so now see is a Pardot special certification maintenance that is summer 2021. The 10 minutes is nothing but obviously they're providing multiple choice questions only. Pardot specialist Salesforce certification. CDN demand. Syncing. Okay, after you upgrade the prospect records, including the mobility section, is showing which of the following factors that determine whether the prospect can receive marketing emails. Uh, Marketing emails. Not email and opted out settings. Home settings and accounts. Okay, okay. For the A and B, not even adopted bond settings. Next, how long does it take Einstein to evaluate the engagement data for each prospect? Einstein, Einstein, Einstein. That is 1 hour. Next, so when my domain is deployed, a new domain CDN domain will appear. So domains downtime when what occurs? CDN. So domain is deployed. The streams appear as a configured channel with a Pardot email. Pardot Pardot email. C. Next, instead of updating an app you already use, what can you do with the updates of the second Pardot? Is B2B marketing, B2B MK, right? Then, so once you added the accounts to the campaigns members from the related list, so what kind of reports you can create to track their engagement? Track. Create and standard and custom means we can use both standard and custom. Standard and custom, that is A and B. D. Next, so which two permission sets combines to create your custom permission sets? Custom permission sets. Marketing administration. Yeah, set up the configure, manage and assign the management permissions. Data to email permissions. task information sets and a view setup A and C, that will be the E. Check it. Ooh. Go for the E and C, and rest of the will correct.